Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cordinal Depriansyah and I will be presenting on the central conductor understanding the control unit. The control unit CU or has rather central processing unit CPU. Operation is it is found in all modern CPU such as Intel Core and AMD Ryzen. The CU direct data flow and instruction execution, ensuring proper sequencing of computer operation. What is the control unit? The control unit is an essential component of the central processing unit (CPU). It interprets instructions from program memory. It generates critical control signals for all CPU components. It is often referred to as the brain within the brain of the computer. CPU component. The CPU is vital for CPU function. Inter interprets instruction. It decodes commands from memory. Generates signals. It directs operation across the CPU and brain within a brain. A central orchestrator of process and core function of the control unit. The control unit performs critical function for CPU operation. 1. Instruction paths. Read, retrieves the next instruction from memory. And number two, instruction decodes, interprets the instruction operation. And number three, instruction execution, generate signal to perform action. And data movement, manage data flow between components. Key components of a control unit. The control unit comprises several specialized components working in harmony. Program counter PC. Storage the address of the next instruction to be fetched, ensuring sequential execution. And instruction register ER. Hold the current instruction will it is being decoded and executed by the CPU. An instruction decoder translates in the instruction out of code into a series of micro operations understandable by the CPU. Timing and control logic generate synchronized control signal, ensuring all CPU operation happen precisely. And the instruction path cycle. The instruction path cycle is the first step in processing in instruction. Number one, PC to mark. Program counter content is copy to the memory address register. Number two, address to memory. The MAR address is sent to memory via the address bus. And number three, instruction patch. Memory fetches in the instruction and places it into the data bus. And load to ER. The instruction is loaded from the data bus into the instruction register. And PC instrument. The program counter is instrumented to point to the next instruction preferring to for the next cycle. And the instruction decode and execute cycle. After it's seen, the control unit decodes and executes the instruction instruction decode pass. The CU decodes the of code held within the instruction register. It determines the specific operation, such as add, load, or jump. This space translates the instruction into action. And execute pass. The CU then issue precise control signal to relevant components like the arithmetic logic unit, allow, and various register data is moved, and the required arithmetic or logical operation are performed. For example, add instruction triggers read signal to register and an add command to the allow. And micro operation and control signal. Intrusions are broken down into fundamental micro operation. Number one, micro operation definite. These are elementary CPU operation like data transfer or addition. Number two, instruction breakdown. Let's complex instruction is broken into a sequence of the test of this basic micro operation. Number three, CU generates signal. The control unit generates specific control signal for each individual micro operation. Number four, Fedway activation. This signal active specific data pathways and enable particular CPU functions. And then example load A. A load A signal, for instance, enable loading data from into register A. Hard, hardware vs microprogram control. Control unit can be designed using two primary approaches, each with distinct characteristics for performance and flexibility. Hardware control. Number one, use fixed logic circuits, providing faster operation speed. Number two, implemented with logic gates, decorates, and flip-flops. Number three, less flexible, difficult to modify or update is intrusion set, and then typically used in simpler, high-speed processor like RISC design. And then microprogram control. utilize a control memory ROM or RAM to store micro in instruction more flexible. Insert or modify or add new instruction post manufacture and then commonly found in a complex instruction set computer atau CISC can be slower due to the need to fetch micro instruction from memory. And importance of the control unit. The control unit is paramount for a computer's reliable and efficient operation. Number one, precise execution ensures accurate and synchronous intrusion execution and performance driver directly dictates the CPU intrusion set architecture performance and system efficiency has a significant impact on overall system efficiency and speed. And then reliability core, vital for stable and reliable computer operation and data integrity. And conclusion, the silent of architect of computing. The control unit is the CPU, essential architecture silently guiding every operation. Number one, it's manage intrusion flow, decoding and execution, ensuring seamless processing and integral to every CPU, from tiny embedded system to powerful supercomputers. And then continuous innovation in CU, design, driver, higher performance, and efficiency in computing. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching and I apologize for any mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.